Really, it's David versus Goliath, because there's a couple of key things I want to talk about, right? Is there's a false diagnosis regarding commercial in the construction industry. So I've spoken about one, which is a payment problem, but a payment problem can manifest itself because of a number of input elements, right? So the number one thing we hear is the QS is out to get me. The QS is just hammering us. Remember, the QS is just doing a job. His job for the main contractor is to protect their margins. Think about it. Main contractors are tendering work anywhere from 6 to 8%, often lower depending on the marketplace and the time and the location that you're watching this in. But let's just go with, say, 8%. That sounds like a lot, but they've got a 4% overhead. Now you're looking at 4% of a margin that they have to protect. So they've got an entire commercial structure that's solely focused around protecting that margin. You know, they have a senior QS usually on a job. They've got a QS on the job. There's a contracts manager, all of whom are focused on protecting themselves, managing the contracts, administering upstream and administering downstream to make sure that they protect that margin. And of course, it's their job. If you're doing variations that haven't been instructed, if you're doing variations under contracts where there's a condition precedent that you notify, or there's a time period and you're time barred, you're not going to get paid. They're just administering the contract. Now, a lot of subcontractors say to us, oh, I don't want to be seen as claims conscious. You're not. You're simply administering the rules of the contract that they gave you. So your problem is never the QS. Whether they're a nice guy, whether they're hard, whether they're really difficult to deal with, it's the contract that you've signed and how you administer it that can lead to a downstream payment problem.